Hey, and good afternoon. I'm here with Karin Andrea Stephan, and she is an expert in helping us unclutter our mental clutter. I know it's a super interesting topic, but today we're going to be talking about something that is new and fascinating to all of us, which is the AI component and how it applies to us getting our lives maybe upgraded a level from where we are right now. So, we are uncovering a bunch of topics today around our mental and physical clutter and how we can use AI to generate the interest in our daily activities and how we can use a program she has called EarKick. And please help me welcome Karin Andrea Stephan. How are you today?
Hi, I'm so happy to be in this show. I'm so grateful to be able to connect with other people who also are interested in decluttering whatever it is, the mind, the house, your life. So, really honored to be here.
Well, I'm curious. Just jump in and tell us all about what EarKick is.
Yeah, happy to do this. So, EarKick, let me just say what it's an AI powered platform that empowers people to measure and improve their mental health in real time. And why is it important for you? Because we all need to know where we're at, whether it's new year or it's in the middle of the year, but especially when we want to assess what we want to change. Maybe it is to live with less or to worry less or to be less stressed. Whatever it is, we have to assess. So there's a measurement element, and then there's the improvement element. And the improvement element is that you get guidance, that you get resources, that you get in the moment suggestions that are actionable, something that you can do right away. It doesn't have to be the huge New Year's resolution that you give up after 2 days. It doesn't have to be the huge goal. It can be very down to earth little things that we can accomplish and that make us feel like we can overcome the mountain of whatever we have in front of us. EarKick, if we look at the decluttering part, helps with decluttering, for example, your mind through specific features and capabilities. I'm going to give you a few examples. EarKick allows you to journal, voice, video, or typing, and it's emotional expression that is the important thing here. Users can just freely express their thoughts and emotions through typing, speaking, or video interactions. And this process serves as a digital journal, allowing you to unload your thoughts, concerns, and feelings. Just get them out of your head, get them off your chest. And the act of externalizing emotions can be an is therapeutic, helping us to declutter the mind by releasing pent up feelings, anger, sadness, frustration, all of that. Then also, there is a wonderful feature that is a tone and emotion analysis. EarKick, the AI in
Hmm.
EarKick, listens to what you say, but also how you say it. And it immediately, within seconds, assesses your emotions, whether you're happy or stressed, anxious, all that. It puts it automatically into your diary. And also it lists the reasons why you're feeling that way. And it remembers everything. So you have a journal that basically writes itself and gives you an immediate, in the moment analysis of where you're at, your symptoms, your thoughts, etc. And then after this is assessed, this is within seconds, there will be a little panda, a cute little panda that appears and validates your feelings, validates what you just said. It'll type back to you, it'll speak back to you and say things like, hey, it's okay to feel that way. It's okay to feel overwhelmed. Here's what you can do. I'm here for you. I'll guide you step by step, or I'll be your companion. And that all happens in real time, within seconds. Now imagine you do a little bit of that every day. Then you catch the problems early before they become a huge avalanche. And you can tackle these things with very down to earth actions in your day, in your house, in your mind, in your body. There are other things that we have, like contextual understanding and memory. EarKick, the pad remembers you, for example. and understands the context of your and only your problem or challenge. It also can identify the level of your anxiety automatically, and it can give you the empathy that you need to attack the day or to do this next task that you've been postponing. We also have a very gamified and intelligent habit builder where you can set small, achievable goals. You'll be nudged, you'll be reminded. And so you can attack this huge mountain in front of you step by step, bit by bit, and get rewarded.
So if I understand correctly, we have an app that's on your phone. It's
Yes,
accessible on your
correct.
smartphone, and you download the EarKick app. And then as you go through the day, you speak in your own voice and you just say, "Hey, right now I'm struggling with a pile of extra laundry that I haven't figured out how to sort through. And I might want to keep some of the stuff, and some of it's probably dirty, and some of it I haven't I just don't know what to do with." And then the panda jumps up on the screen and then tells me, "Hey, I understand that you're not alone. You're experiencing something that lots of people have laundry issues." And does it make recommendations then?
It
In
does.
real is that
You
what I'm
can
at?
chat with it. It does make recommendations. It discusses things with you. You can really, there is no problem too small or too big for the panda. And if it's, for example, that you finally want to attack this wardrobe, or you finally want to go and clean up the basement, then you can just chat with it and tell you, and it'll find out what is your trigger. Why are you not doing it? Or what are you afraid of? And you can just go work through that in words and thoughts, and then make an action plan and go do what you were supposed to do or what you wanted to do. So in the physical world, but also in the emotional and thought world, because a lot of the problems we face when we want to declutter our lives is that our feelings get in the way. We are triggered by something. Maybe we want to clean up something and then we find something that triggers us or throws us back into a bad time, yeah, the pandemic, a divorce, whatever that is. And so we not only have to deal with the physical world and the clutter there, but also with everything that storms our mind, all the memories. So EarKick helps with both, with your emotional decluttering and with your decluttering that you need to do in the real world.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today. I am absolutely mesmerized by the thought of this, and I really want to hear everybody's comments. So I'm going to ask you guys, after you've downloaded the app, again, there's a free and a premium version. Download the free version and give it a try. Let me know what you think. And has Panda become your new best friend? What do you think of EarKick? Thank you today, Karin Andrea Stephan, for joining us and for introducing us to EarKick. I think this is a real opportunity for us to be able to try something a little bit different than what we've tried in the past. All right. Thank you guys. I appreciate your being here with me today.
Yeah. Please share your stories. I can't wait.
And I will look for your comments in the notes below. So have a great day. We'll see you again